Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Fumi. So on today's edition, I'm going to be showing you how to create this smooth over effect from growing effect to where this play icon comes up from down. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that here on Figma. So first of all, we'll start by creating a frame. We're going to create a frame. We're going to be using MacBook 16. So we'll create our frame. After creating our frame, we'll change the color. We're using dark theme, so we'll be using 252525 for the color. Then I'm going to put my grid style. So I'm going to create a frame. Now I'm going to duplicate this frame to make sure that all of them fit very well in the frame. I'm going to duplicate that same frame. Then I'm going to put them in an auto layout again, so everything can be well aligned. So it's looking like a wireframe now. After that, I'm going to bring in one of the frame. I'll bring in one of the frame. Then I'm going to change the color. Then I'll bring in my image. I'm going to align my image properly in my frame to make sure that it is well aligned very well. Then after doing that, I'm going to bring in text. I'm going to write in my text, the jazz music and everything I'm going to write in. After writing my text, I'll align my text properly also. After aligning my text, I'm going to frame the image. So I'll make sure this image is a frame. So I'll frame it. Then I'm going to bring in the play. I'm going to bring in the play icon. After bringing in the play icon, I'm going to take it down the frame. I'll clip content. Make sure you clip content so your icon frame can go inside. Make sure it goes inside. After that is done, then you duplicate your frame. After duplicating your frame, you increase the width and the height of image. You expand it so you make sure it's bigger. Then you centralize it. So this is going to give us the growing effect. I'm going to duplicate my image. I'm going to be using linear gradient for my image. So I'll make sure it is dark in the lower part because of my icon when my icon pops up. After I've done that, I'm going to bring in my icon from down. So you click on your icon and you bring it from down. Then you align it properly. So after aligning it properly, I'm going to change this frame color. After that, I will align both frame 1 and frame 2, and I'll put them in a component set. After putting them in a component set, I'm going to put my prototype option. It will be on while hovering. Make sure it's on while hovering, smart animate, then ease in and out. So I'm going to put the timing to 150 milliseconds. I'm going to put in my frame 1. I'll copy it from here. And I'm going to paste in all my frames on my desktop frame. So after pasting them in my desktop frame, I'm going to be changing each image and the text. So I'll first of all change the image first, every image. Make sure you are clicking on your image. Make sure you click on the image itself, not the frame, but the image itself. Then you change your image. I'm going to be using free pics to be changing my image. So you click on each image and change them respectively. So I'm going to do that for the rest of the frames. Start changing my images. I'm going to be changing my text. So I'll click on each text and change them. I'll make sure my text are chat that play prototype. Okay, now here's our prototype. You can see that as we are hovering, there's a grow in the image. The image is growing and the play icon is coming from down, and there's a grow option. Do also note that the frame color is changing. So now there are 3 over effects that I did. 3 over effect, the color change, the frame color change, the grow effect of the image, and when the play icon is coming from down. So we have 3 over effects. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And if you have any difficulty in this video, don't forget to drop a comment so I can respond to your comment and help you with your difficulty. Thank you and happy designing, guys.